Hello everyone, my name is Pashyarina Fitriani. My student ID is 25010100016. This is my final project for functional English communication, listening and speaking. For the audio about likes and dislikes, my answer to the listening question is reading a good book or listening to a podcast. Meanwhile, his brother really enjoys watching sports documentaries. Now, for the project question, my answer is I really love listening to music. Actually, I like many different music genres. But my favorite are pop, is K-pop and Indonesian pop. When listening to music, it feels like it's not complete if I'm not eating at the same time, right? Speaking of food, I really love sweet foods because they boost my mood. Martabak, for the example, and I like meatball too. On the other hand, I really dislike tutut, pots, spales because when you eat them, there's often a crunchy texture, and I don't like that at all. For the audio about giving direction, my answer to the listening question is to get to the student center. First, walk straight past the fountain, then take the first right onto the walkway. Keep walking for about a minute. You will pass the library on your left. Continue walking until you see a modern glass building with a blue sign. That is the student center. And my answer to the question project is I'll explain the direction to the volleyball court, starting with the Masudi building. First, walk straight, then turn right, and you'll find a roundabout. After that, walk straight. On your right is the Faculty of Pharmacy building, and on your left is the Solihin building. After seeing the Solihin building, turn left into the Solihin building, and finally, the volleyball court is behind the Masudi building. Then, for the audio about daily routine, my answer to the listening question is she usually wakes up at 6:30 a.m. Then she typically drinks some water, checks her agenda or emails for 20 minutes, and does some light exercise. One thing she never does is skip breakfast. And for the project question about explaining your morning or evening routine, my answer is I usually wake up before 5 a.m. to pray and tidy up my room. I typically have rice for breakfast at 6:30 a.m. and by 8 a.m. I'm often ready to start my classes. In the evening, I spend more time alone and use it to study various materials. For some reason, I feel like my brain is sharper at night. For the audio about describing object, my answer to the listening question is physical features. The smartwatch has a rectangular shape with a black silicone strap, and the screen is made of smooth glass material. Then, main function, its primary function are full health and activity monitoring, such as counting steps and tracking heart rate, as well as viewing incoming notification without having to check the phone. And for the project question about describing the things I use every day, my answer is the object that accompanies my daily activities is a water bottle with a very minimalist appearance. This bottle has a simple design without any patterns, featuring an elegant combination of only black and white. Its tall and slender shape makes it very practical to carry or slip into a bag. The material, which feels sturdy like zinc, gives an impression of strength and durability, complemented by a black and white strap on the cap that makes it easy for me to carry it anywhere. And for me, this water bottle is very useful because it serves as a loyal reminder to keep my body hydrated throughout the day. Its high quality material is capable of maintaining the temperature of the drink well. For the audio about favorite place, my answer to the listening question is the city park offers sensory details that treat the senses, starting from visuals and such as vast green lawns, taller trees, a beautiful lake, and seasonal flowers gardens that change colors. From an auditory perspective, visitors can enjoy bird chirping and the laughter of children in the playground, all of which build a peaceful, quiet, and family-friendly atmosphere as an escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. Regarding the city park project, the text does not mention any construction or renovation projects at all, but purely describes the current physical condition and ambience of the park. And my answer to the question project is actually I don't really have a favorite place because there are times when I dislike my surroundings for various reasons. However, there is one place that occasionally brings me peace, which is almost like a favorite spot, the beach. I love the roaring sound of the waves and the fresh air. It is located about an hour and a half from my house, and the name of the beach is Karangtaulan. It is a very beautiful place and I like it because it is the perfect spot to contemplate the fleeting nature of this life. That's all from me. I'm really sorry because I make more mistake. Thank you for watching.